Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video is about thermofluid assignment 2B. I am SITI NURASHIKIN and these are my teammates. The first one is MUAMMAR. The second one is Faiza. Fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics is study of fluid flow which is used to analyze many applications that rely on liquid body. The pressure of the following fluid is measured using liquid. Fluid mechanics also include rigid body equilibrium analysis, in which fluid exerts force on the system. Fluid, material that deform continuously when subject to shear force, a substance that can flow. Example of fluid, water or oil, and so on. Mechanics, studies that deal with the motion of force on object. An object refers to particles that are in either static or moving, which is dynamic. Hydraulic brake system in car is one of the applications in fluid mechanics. Pascal principle states that pressure applied to a constant fluid is transmitted unchanged to all parts of the fluid as well as the container wall. A hydraulic lift is a common example of this, which is used to lift a car off the ground so that it may be repaired in garage. A tiny force applied to a small aerial piston becomes a significant force when applied to a large air piston. If an automobile is parked on top of the large piston, it can be lifted by giving a tiny force to the small piston, with the force being proportional to the piston area. So this slide shows the illustration for Pascal principle. Pascal principle is used to operate backhoe and other hydraulic machinery like garbage truck and hydraulic lift. Okay, application of hydraulic brake system in a car. Okay, next, a car hydraulic brake system is shown in this slide. It is made up of a fluid-filled pipeline. One end is connected to the master cylinder, which is outfitted with a piston coupled to the foot pedal. The pipeline other end connected to the wheel cylinder, which contains two steel caliper pistons on either side. The brake drum is attached to the piston and the brake shoes are contained within the brake drum. The area of the wheel cylinder cross-section is bigger than the area of the master cylinder across the section. This is the diagram that explains those explanations here. Okay, how it works? When the brakes are applied to the foot pedal, it pushes a certain pressure on the fluid in the master cylinder. So this figure shows the explanation that the foot pedal is tapped, okay, on the brake pedal. So this pressure is transmitted equal and undiminished throughout the fluid and to the piston of the wheel cylinder. This pushes the piston outward, forcing the brake shoes to press against the rim on the wheel, due to which the motion retards. On releasing the pressure on the pedal and return spring force the piston of the wheel cylinder back and the fluid flow back into the master cylinder, as shown in this figure. Okay, advantage hydraulic brake system in the car. Okay, the first advantage for this hydraulic system brake, stopping a vehicle in motion. As we know, hydraulic brake systems are more effective at stopping a vehicle in motion by distributing uniform pressure to all wheels of vehicle. Hydraulic brake use hydrostatic pressure to apply force. Pascal's law, a principle of fluid mechanics, states that when the pressure is transmitted to a fluid, the pressure is applied equally in all directions. So, because of hydraulic brake rely on brake fluid to create the pressure distributed throughout the system, a hydraulic braking system will always apply equal force to a vehicle wheel. This uniform pressure makes hydraulic braking system more effective at safety and quickly stopping a vehicle in motion. Additionally, hydraulic brake operate on a principle of hydraulic leverage. Hydraulic leverage allows hydraulic braking system to generate a great amount of force in relation to the effort applied by a vehicle in comparison to other braking systems. This principle means the hydraulic brakes are more equipped to effectively stop a fast-moving vehicle. Long-lasting. Winning hydraulic brake system brake fluid act as a lubricant, increase the resistance of components to wear and tear over time. Additionally, hydraulic brake system don't contain joint, reducing the amount of component vulnerable to the effect of time. Lastly, because hydraulic brake distributed heat more uniformly than mechanical brake, so the whole system is improved. So that's all from us for this video. Thank you so much.